Hey guys, it's Ziya. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Birchbox unboxing. I'm curious to see how this one turns out. So let's just rip this open. Last time I had a really hard time opening this box. This time it's a lot easier. Well, spoke too soon. Ooh, okay, here's this month's box. It looks really cute. Not as cute as last month's, but this one is all florally and pretty. Open it up. Not looking at this yet. I want to be surprised. Ooh, okay. Well, this I have already. The Benefit They're Real. I think I have one of these. I have a lot of little sample size mascaras because I always get them as free gifts when I order stuff. Spoolie looks very familiar, but there's also other things that have the same type of spoolie. It's not like that unique. I'm glad to have another mascara. I haven't really had to buy mascara in a really long time. And then next, ooh, Sunday Riley. Really great brand. Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. I'm always in for younger looking skin. So I'm really happy about this. I'm excited to use it. How much would it cost? Oh, let's see how much the Benefit Cosmetics full-size mascara is. $25. The travel sizes are usually 12-ish. Oh wow, the full size of this is $85. I've never actually bought anything from Sunday Riley. I've only gotten samples because their price tag is high. The next thing I have here is this High Performance Hair Care Jour de Temps Sugar Texturizing Spray. So the full size of this would cost $22. Rather than salt, the spray uses sugar as a texturizing agent to achieve soft, undone beachy waves. That's interesting because I have never been a big fan of salt sprays because I felt like it always really dried out my hair. So I'm excited to see how this one works. The full size of this would be $22. Did I say that already? I think I did. So far, I like it. I'm sure I'm gonna continue to use this when my hair needs a little bit of help. The next item I have here, ooh. That was a good catch though. Marcel Bb Cream. I love BB creams! I think I said that in the last one. Skin enhancer for all skin types. Perfume free. Thank you. Hypoallergenic. Tested under dermatological control. Can be worn alone or as a makeup base. I usually don't use BB creams as a makeup base. I just use them as I would foundation. It's a true multitasker that gives skin a radiant glow while evening tone, controlling shine, and hydrating skin. Controlling shine. Well, that helps me because I have combination skin and the oily parts of my skin are super duper extra ultra oily. So here is the color I have. It's in the color Golden Glow. Blend some onto my hand here. That's really pretty. I think you guys can see it. It's like right here. Not gonna put it on my face right now because I already have makeup on. That would be silly. And the last item I have here is, oh, from Bumble and Bumble. Okay, cool. Hairdressers Invisible Protective Oil Primer. I've never heard of this before. Obviously, I've heard of Bumble and Bumble. I think everybody has at this point. And what is it exactly? It's a leave-in treatment that defrizzes, detangles, and protects, leaving hair hydrated and smooth. Apply to damp, clean hair, then style as usual. Very good. I'm always looking for things that are going to keep my hair healthy. I do get more breakage than I would like. That is what makes my hair like grow so slowly because it's always breaking. I never used to have this problem, but lately my hair's been drier, a little bit more nuts, and it's just, you know, it's frustrating. I really like this box. I don't know if I like it more than the last one. There's a lot more hair care in this one, which I don't mind. And of course, I'm really interested in this Sunday Riley lactic acid treatment. I've never tried a lactic acid. The Ordinary has some lactic acid products that I was interested in, but I just never tried. But after this, we'll see. And that is everything, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out new videos every week, so if you guys are going to see those, don't forget to stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.